Embracing a diet centered solely on animal-based foods might seem unconventional in a world where dietary diversity is celebrated. Enter the carnivore diet, a regimen that exclusively comprises animal products and has garnered attention for its simplicity and claimed health benefits. Make sure to stay until the very end to find out all the best details, and like, comment, and subscribe to make sure to get more awesome content. The carnivore diet, a resurgence of an ancestral eating approach, advocates for a complete shift from plant-based foods to a diet solely composed of animal products. While seemingly counterintuitive in a landscape emphasizing fruits, vegetables, and grains, this dietary regimen has sparked curiosity for its reported impact on weight loss, digestion, and overall well-being. This video is a compass for beginners navigating the carnivore diet landscape, providing insights into its principles, potential benefits, and practical strategies for those considering or embarking on this dietary journey. Whether as a curious newcomer or a health enthusiast seeking a radical change, this guide illuminates the pathways and considerations for venturing into the world of the carnivore diet. Understanding the carnivore diet. The carnivore diet stands as a dietary approach that radically departs from conventional eating norms by advocating for the exclusive consumption of animal-derived foods. In essence, this regimen involves a complete elimination of plant-based foods and relies solely on animal proteins and fats for sustenance. Food composition. The diet predominantly features animal products such as meat, both red and white, fish, poultry, eggs, and certain dairy products like cheese and butter. These foods are consumed in their unprocessed forms, with an emphasis on high-quality sources, including grass-fed meat and wild-caught fish. Elimination of plant-based foods. One of the fundamental aspects of the carnivore diet is its strict exclusion of plant-derived foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Advocates of this regimen believe that plant foods contain anti-nutrients and compounds, like lectins and phytates, which may be detrimental to health. Principles and rationale. Proponents of the carnivore diet argue that by removing plant-based foods, individuals can potentially alleviate digestive issues, autoimmune conditions, and metabolic disorders. They claim that the absence of carbohydrates and plant toxins leads to reduced inflammation and improved overall health. Variations in approaches. While the core principle of the carnivore diet remains consistent, centering around animal-based foods, individuals may adapt the diet based on personal preferences, tolerances, and health goals. Some opt for stricter adherence, while others allow certain dairy products or occasional seasoning. Understanding the fundamental tenets of this diet lays the groundwork for individuals considering or embarking on the carnivore journey, empowering them to make informed decisions and understand the rationale behind this unconventional yet intriguing dietary approach. Getting started on the carnivore diet. Transitioning into the carnivore diet requires careful preparation and understanding, especially for beginners embarking on this unique eating regimen. Mental and physical preparation. Preparing mentally is crucial before adopting the carnivore diet. Understanding the fundamental principles and potential benefits can help in solidifying the commitment to this dietary shift. Physically, gradually reducing the intake of non-animal foods may aid in minimizing potential side effects associated with sudden dietary changes. Step-by-step guide for beginners. For beginners, easing into the carnivore diet can be a smoother experience. Starting by eliminating processed foods and gradually reducing plant-based foods while incorporating more animal-based foods helps the body adapt. Emphasizing hydration and maintaining electrolyte balance during this transition phase is essential. Meal planning and food choices. Creating a meal plan centered around animal-based products is key to success. Prioritizing a variety of meats, beef, pork, poultry, fish, and incorporating sources of fat like butter or tallow aids in achieving satiety. Experimenting with different cuts, cooking methods, and meal timings allows for diversity within the confines of an animal-based diet. Addressing potential challenges. Experiencing potential side effects like the keto flu, temporary fatigue, or changes in bowel movements is common during the initial phase. Being mindful of these possibilities and allowing the body time to adjust is crucial. Seeking advice from healthcare professionals or carnivore diet practitioners can offer guidance in navigating these challenges. Embarking on the carnivore diet necessitates patience, determination, and a thorough understanding of its principles. By gradually transitioning, strategically planning meals, and acknowledging potential hurdles, beginners can embark on this dietary journey with greater confidence and readiness for its potential impacts on health and well-being. Health benefits and risks. Claimed benefits. proponents of the carnivore diet attribute several potential benefits to its practice. Advocates suggest that by eliminating plant-based foods, individuals may experience weight loss, improved digestion, and increased energy levels. Some anecdotal evidence indicates reduced inflammation and alleviation of autoimmune conditions or digestive issues. Scientific insights. However, scientific evidence supporting the carnivore diet remains limited and largely anecdotal. While some studies suggest potential benefits of low-carb, high-protein diets on weight loss and metabolic health, long-term implications of a diet exclusively composed of animal products remain unclear. The lack of comprehensive research underscores the need for caution and thorough consideration. Potential risks. Critics and healthcare professionals express concerns about the potential risks associated with the carnivore diet. The exclusion of plant-based foods may lead to nutrient deficiencies, particularly in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants typically obtained from fruits and vegetables. Long-term adherence might pose risks of cardiovascular issues, bone health concerns, and gastrointestinal disturbances due to lack of dietary fiber. Considerations for long-term adherence. Individuals contemplating long-term adherence to the carnivore diet must carefully weigh the potential risks against perceived benefits. Seeking guidance from healthcare professionals, conducting regular health assessments, and considering supplementation to compensate for nutrient deficiencies become imperative in ensuring a balanced and sustainable dietary approach. Navigating the health benefits and risks associated with the carnivore diet demands a cautious approach. While it may offer short-term improvements for some individuals, the long-term sustainability and health implications require comprehensive consideration, professional guidance, and informed decision-making before embracing this dietary regimen. Practical tips and advice. Sourcing quality animal products. Prioritizing high-quality animal products is crucial for a successful carnivore diet. Opt for grass-fed or pasture-raised meats, wild-caught fish, and organic dairy, when possible, to ensure optimal nutrient content and minimize exposure to additives or hormones. Meal ideas and recipes. Crafting meals exclusively from animal-based foods can be creative and varied. Experiment with different cuts of meat, seafood, and poultry. Incorporate diverse cooking methods, grilling, roasting, or slow cooking, to add variety to your meals. Simple recipes like steak with butter, salmon fillets, or ground beef patties can form the foundation of your carnivore meals. Meal timing and frequency. There's flexibility in meal timing on the carnivore diet. Some individuals prefer 2 larger meals per day, while others opt for more frequent smaller meals. Find a meal frequency and timing that suits your lifestyle and satiety levels. Nutritional considerations. Although the diet focuses on animal products, considering nutrient density remains essential. Consuming a variety of meats and including organ meats can provide a broader spectrum of essential nutrients. Some practitioners also suggest incorporating bone broth for added minerals. Monitoring and adjusting. Regularly assessing how your body responds to the diet is crucial. Monitoring energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being aids in understanding its impact. Adjusting the diet based on individual responses ensures personalized optimization. By prioritizing high-quality animal products, exploring diverse meal options, and staying attuned to your body's responses, you can navigate the carnivore diet more effectively. Experimenting with different foods and meal patterns allows for a sustainable and enjoyable approach while reaping potential benefits this diet may offer. Lifestyle and community aspects. Navigating social challenges. Transitioning to the carnivore diet may present social and practical challenges. Communicating dietary choices and preferences with friends and family helps manage social situations. Planning ahead when dining out or attending events can alleviate discomfort. Seeking professional support. Consulting healthcare professionals or registered dietitians before and during the carnivore diet journey is prudent. They can provide personalized guidance, monitor health parameters, and offer advice on potential nutrient deficiencies or health concerns. Carnivore diet community. Engaging with the carnivore diet community via online forums or social media platforms allows for shared experiences, insights, and support. Interacting with like-minded individuals fosters a sense of community, guidance, and motivation throughout the dietary transition and adherence. In conclusion, the carnivore diet represents a radical departure from conventional eating patterns, advocating for exclusive consumption of animal-based foods. While it presents potential benefits, the diet lacks comprehensive scientific backing and poses potential risks. Beginners considering this dietary approach must carefully weigh its claimed benefits against potential health implications. Prioritizing high-quality animal products, seeking professional guidance, and remaining attuned to individual body responses are paramount. Ultimately, whether opting for the carnivore diet or exploring other dietary avenues, informed decisions and personalized considerations pave the path toward a balanced, sustainable, and health-conscious lifestyle.